back to my channel. It's your girl Sherry Monique, and I'm here with a really quick hair tutorial. I will be using this scarf here to pull my hair up, not as in a puff, but just as a style. This is just to give you something quick and simple when you're in a hurry, you have to go somewhere like I did. I had a doctor's appointment today, and it is horrible outside. It's sleeting, it's icing, it's snowing, the roads are rough. Roads are bad. It's just a hot mess. But anywho, I had to get to where I had to get to, and I only had so much time to do it in. But anyway, this is actually a hairstyle that I have a tutorial on that I did not get to post yet, and it'll probably be posted after this video, so please stay tuned for that. And if you hear me wheezing, I do apologize. My asthma's acting up, and that is what I went to the doctor for, to get my injections that I get every 2 weeks. So hopefully in the name of Jesus, it helps with my asthma and my allergies. It normally does, but this time it's been 3 months, 3.5 months since I've had my last injection, so it's been acting up really bad, and with the weather change. But enough rambling. So anywho, this is really simple. It shouldn't be more than like a 5-minute video. It's literally just me showing you the process of how you can turn a scarf or a head wrap into a cute do. So let's just hop into it. Basically, like I said, this is my hair from the hair tutorial that will be posted up after this. This is what it's looking like. It was supposed to have been a defined afro type thing. It didn't really turn out the way I wanted it to, so it is what it is. But anyway, you don't need anything else but just a simple brush, and that's just to brush your hair up. It might not look like I'm doing much, and technically I'm not, but I feel better when I use it. I feel like I'm actually doing something. Then you take your little hair tie or scrunchie, whatever you're using. Into that. There we go. That is that. It doesn't have to be perfect in the back or anything like that. It still has some pieces. But anyway, so that's what it's looking like. Then I take my scarf, my festive little scarf that I got from Dollar Tree. Only $1, y'all. So yeah, nothing spectacular, but it gets the job done. You want to make certain it's pretty even on both sides. I just take it from the back. I cross it over in the front and move this little piece. And I raise it up a little higher so that way my edges can be seen, and I tuck it behind my ears. Okay. And I know y'all see this little piece trying to stick out, so we're going to slide her back up in there. Yeah. And then I don't do anything fancy. I just go to the back and I create a bow. Just like you're tying your shoestrings, literally. And this is how it looks. And this is exactly how I wore it and how I wear my hair. When I'm in a hurry, I'm in a rush. And even if I'm not in a hurry or I'm not in a rush, I still wear my hair like this a lot of the time because I think it's a really cute style. It's very simple. It's not hard to do. As you can see, this video is under 5 minutes. Well, as I'm speaking now, I'm going to try to keep it under 5. But, yeah, so I love it. I think it looks good. The bow is still in my hair, obviously, but you can take it out and create like little tendrils coming down. You can pull some down to the side. Just make it your own style. Make it look like you and be unique to you. But I think this is a really cute style, and I think it's something that any girl can rock and be proud. And I just put in my hoop earrings just because it's up like that, and because it's up, you want something that's a little dangly. So you put in them hoops, girl, and you're good to go. And so this is how it looks. I need to take this tag off. Well, actually, it's not a tag, it's the scarf there. But the back, like I said, it's just a little bow, and that's it. So that's all that I have for this tutorial. I know it's quick and simple, but it's just some way to tie up your scarf. And if you have any other suggestions for videos, or if you want to see me tie my scarf in different ways other than this, let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll be more than glad to do that as well. Thank you to everyone who has supported me, who watches my videos, who has subscribed. I appreciate you. I pray you all are having a blessed, wonderful day. Pray that you have a blessed, wonderful week. I pray that you're staying warm and all that good fun stuff. One more glimpse at the hair. One more time for the camera. Okay, but anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you in my next video. Stay tuned for the next hair tutorial, which will be this style that I just did. And then also I will have a vlog coming shortly, so stay tuned for both of those. But anywho, until we meet again, it is your girl Sherry Monique signing off. I hope to see you in my next video. Please don't forget to like, thumbs up this video. Please don't forget to comment down below, share as much as possible, and most importantly, please don't forget to subscribe, as well as actually watch more than 2 minutes of the video. I greatly appreciate it. I try to keep this one a little shorter, but I'm rambling. So, enough is enough. Hope you like the hair, hope you like the tutorial, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, love, peace, and blessings your way, and I'll see you in my next video. Deuces!